Hey everyone, so Samsung Galaxy recently had their crazy AI announcement, and let me tell you, it was filled with super interesting things that I guarantee you want to know. After watching the entire thing, I've picked out the best bits that are AI related and that I think you should all pay attention to. So let's dive in. Real-time voice translations. Imagine being able to have real-time voice translations while you're on a call. Well, guess what? The Galaxy S24 series can do just that. Whether you make or receive a call in a language you don't speak, the Galaxy S24 can provide live translations of your call both verbally and on screen. It's like having your own personal interpreter on your calls. The Galaxy S24 offers real-time two-way call translations within the native call app. It supports audio and text translations for up to 13 languages at launch. And the best part? It all happens right on the device, keeping your phone calls private. It even remembers your language settings and what language each contact speaks, so you don't have to make updates before your next conversation. And the best part? It works no matter what kind of phone the other person is using, even a landline. So whether you make a lot of international calls or enjoy exploring local hotspots while traveling, Live Translate makes it easy to have those conversations. Translate on the go with Samsung Keyboard. With the new Samsung Galaxy S24, you can have a more intuitive translation available right in the chat window. No more language barriers holding you back from communicating with others. Now, let me introduce you to Chat Assist. With this feature, you can communicate in multiple languages without any hassle. Just type your message in English and Chat Assist will automatically detect the language and translate it for you. It's like having your own personal language assistant right there in your chat conversations. And if you receive a message in another language, the translation will show up right under it, making it easy to understand and reply. It's quick, it's efficient, and it's a game changer for multilingual communication. Circle to Search, your personal research assistant. Now let's talk about Circle to Search. This is an incredible new way to search anything on your Android phone using a simple gesture, without switching apps. How cool is that? Let's say you're browsing through a social media app and come across something that piques your curiosity. Instead of having to switch to another app to learn more, you can simply long press the home button and circle, highlight, scribble, or tap whatever you're curious about on your screen. The Galaxy S24's AI will then analyze your selection and provide you with relevant information, similar options, and even where to buy them. It's like having your own personal research assistant right at your fingertips. Circle to Search is not limited to images or text. You can also use it to search for videos or ask more complex questions. The power of generative AI allows you to get in-depth information and understand concepts or topics more easily. It's like having a world of knowledge right at your fingertips, without any disruption to your current task or activity. AI-powered camera, unleash your creativity. Now let's talk about the AI-powered camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24. Prepare to be amazed. With features like nitography, space zoom, and high megapixel processing, the Galaxy S24 Ultra ensures that you capture every detail, even in challenging environments like dimly lit concert halls. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a new 5x optical zoom lens with a 50-megapixel sensor. The AI capabilities of the camera further enhance your photos by touching up skin, sharpening details, and perfecting the overall image quality. It's like having a professional photographer in your pocket. But the camera doesn't stop there. The generative AI capabilities of the Galaxy S24 Ultra allow you to edit your photos in incredible ways. You can realign photos, move objects or people, and even generate a perfectly blended background. The possibilities are endless, and the results are jaw-dropping. It's like having your own personal photo editing studio. And let's not forget about videos. With the Pro Visual Engine, you can turn high-resolution videos into slow motion with a simple long press. The AI analyzes each frame of the video and adds AI-generated images in between frames, allowing you to watch your videos in slow motion. It's like having the power to control time. So there you have it, the best bits from Samsung's AI announcement for the Galaxy S24. From real-time voice translations to AI-powered search and an incredible camera, the Galaxy S24 is packed with features that will revolutionize the way we communicate, research, and capture moments. If you're someone who loves exploring new technologies and wants to stay ahead of the curve, the Samsung Galaxy S24 is definitely worth considering. Are you excited about the Samsung Galaxy S24? Let us know in the comments below.